Do you have any of that nasty looking, used to be black rubber or plastic trim on your car like I do? Like pretty much everybody does from a car made in the last, I don't know, couple decades. The bottom part's plastic, this part's a rubber piece up here on the roof. But I'm going to show you in this video kind of a way I've discovered to help bring that blackness back that A, lasts a long time, B, is pretty inexpensive and easy to do, and C, doesn't look wet. Doesn't have like that greasy wetness look on it. But sit right back and I'm going to show you guys what I kind of accidentally stumbled upon. First up, Adams rubber and tire and rubber cleaner. This piece is rubber. It also works on plastic pretty well. So I'm just going to spray a tiny bit, like third to half of a spray on there. And then trying to not get a lot of this on my paint, or any. This is just really removing all the terribleness off the top of this rubber or plastic, whatever you have that needs to be brought back to life. I've tried pretty much every product out there before. Mother's Back to Black. Tried the Meguiar's Ultimate Black. Other ones I can't think of right now. So basically right there, it's clean now. I don't have to really worry about it. I mean, it already looks better like that. But wait till you see this. So then I'm seeing a little bit of 91% isopropyl alcohol. Just to remove anything that's left over. And to help dry. You can see that kind of removed any type of a shine or blackness of the rubber and tire cleaner from Adams kind of produced, but that's okay. You can kind of see it's starting to haze up a little bit. You know what, I'm gonna do another quick little pass with more rubber and tire cleaner. I kind of discovered this on accident because the most important piece, I'm pretty just cleaning the rubber here, but the most important piece of this process I discovered on accident. Well, I didn't discover the product on accident, but I discovered this purpose on accident. I know people, it's safe to use and they encourage you to use it on plastic and rubber. But I'd never really seen anybody do a video showing you what it can do, what it's capable of on old black rubber and plastic. Now this stuff, this car it was built in late 2005. It's a first gen LX Charger. It's been garaged its whole life. It's got 155,000 miles on it, I think. But since I bought my Challenger, it's actually been sitting outside. It's basically like my daily driver now. So this has been sitting in the desert sun for 3 straight years, and it was looking bad before that too. But then bead maker, this stuff, you don't have to use a lot. About a 32 ounce bottle, and that's how much I had left after coating 2 cars with it, the initial coat. Then you use it as like a drying agent, but I just put a little tiny bit on a rag, and then you're gonna be able to see what this does. And as far as longevity, because I mean, if I got Back to Black or something and rubbed it on here, it's gonna look this good instantly as well. But what I found with that is that A, it holds dirt in, so you have a ton of just dirt and dust sticking to it, since it's got that greasy, filmy feel. Where this dries without any of those issues at all. And it actually cures. I think it's like an 8-hour setting cure time. And it'll look even better than what I show you guys here, which is pretty amazing if you ask me. And I can attest, I got my first shipment. I ordered it from Obsessed Garage. I got my first shipment in and applied it on some black trim just about a month ago. And it still looks like pretty much the day I put it on there. But you can see how much blacker it is and how much better that looks. Maybe I can do some split screen magic or something, and you can see before and after. And it'll hold, from my experience, for I'm at least a month now. Plus it has UV protection in it, so hopefully it'll, you know, if your plastic isn't completely shot yet, maybe you can still save it. So who knows? But yeah, I really like it. It looks really good. Hopefully the light isn't like really. Let me kill the light so you can see what it looks like. Just under my regular garage lighting. Hopefully the light's doing it justice, but it's. Let's take it off of there. And the car's midnight blue. And under crazy light, obviously you can kind of see. But under like normal lighting, it's pretty damn. I mean, it's really black. Like it's not showing off on camera as much as it is in person, but I'm definitely happy with it. It also doesn't have like that shiny sheen to it. It's got more of a satin kind of finish going on. I'm gonna grab a towel and do this edge again here. But yeah, I really like it. So basically, you don't have to use rubber and tire on it, but I just did it to clean it. And then PNS bead maker. That's the stuff you want right there.